Hello everyone, I'm Salome De Wet and I'm coming to you all the way from Cape Town, South Africa. This is my beautiful model Megs. We're going to be demonstrating one of my absolute favorite products in the whole wide world, Elumen. My favorite parts of this product is that it's so luminous and it's dimensional and it adds so much shine to hair. It makes hair look even more healthier after using the color. So let's have a look. So for Meg's sectioning pattern, I've decided to section her hair from the temple to the top of the occipital bone and then from the bottom of the hairline to the middle of the hairline. And for our bottom two sections, we're going to be using GB at 9 and BG at 7. And for the top sections, we're going to be using KB at 7 as a global application. So the reason I decided to work with Elumen specifically on Meg's hair is because Meg suffers from scalp sensitivity. So this Elumen is a great product because it's completely non-oxidative and it's for anyone that has a sensitive scalp or that has had bad experiences with normal oxidative colors. So this is our final result. I hope you like it as much as I do. So my brand of choice with Elumen, the reason why I always choose it over and over again is because the luminous, shine, brilliance, I believe that is unmatched color brilliance. I also love that it is completely vegan and it is super great for people that want low maintenance color, that don't want to see regrowth lines. I really like the dimensional finish. I love the care, and there's nothing like Elumen that leaves your hair so shiny and luminous even after a hair color. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks Megs for being such a beautiful model. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. For more videos like these, please remember to comment, like and subscribe to our channel.